everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I got my Mamma Angela in the house today. Say hello everybody.
Ciao a tutti!
And Ma, what are we going to make today?
Stuffed mushrooms.
My mother makes some of the best stuffed mushrooms, baked stuffed mushrooms you've ever had in your life. You're going to want to make these for every holiday, every big dinner. It's the perfect side dish. I love them. I know you guys are going to love them too. So Ma, what's the first thing we're going to do?
First of all, I don't want you to waste anything. You know me.
Of course, yeah.
A lot of people, what they do with the stems, they throw them out.
Don't throw them out.
No, such a waste.
Don't
You're
throw
going to
them
get punished if you do that. Okay? So you cut them in slices. We have to slice them, and we put them in the pan.
Okay.
Okay?
So how do you slice them? Let me
Oh,
see.
easy. Just
How do you want them sliced?
yeah,
These
like
things?
this. Okay?
Okay. So we're going to
Okay.
slice these up.
Yes.
Put these right here. I'm going to do some. She's going to do some. And as I do them, just put them in the baking pan that we're going to use.
Yes, absolutely.
Some people cut them up. They put them in the filling. My mother always put them at the bottom of the dish.
Yes. Because they help to give the mushroom flavor.
And then when we put like the wine in the water and everything, it's going to make a nice little broth, and it's going to cook the stems in that nice mushroom broth, and it's going to be a little extra flavor.
Yes. And, you know, the most important thing is that you don't throw them out.
Don't throw them out, guys. Don't
No,
throw
no,
them
no.
out.
It's a sin.
Okay.
Yeah, we're
Small, so I did that one in half.
done.
Done.
Okay.
That's it.
Benis.
Okay.
Okay.
Spread them out. So now we're going to make the filling.
Of course.
Going to make the filling. We're going to stuff these nice cremini mushrooms we got over here. Just like the medium-sized ones. Don't get them too big. This is a good size. If you like the portobello ones, use those. But these are the ones she always used.
Yes.
Okay, Ma, what goes into this filling over here?
Breadcrumbs.
We got some plain breadcrumbs. My mother doesn't like that Italian-style breadcrumbs.
No.
She's Italian-style
No, I do my own seasoning, you know.
Yeah.
Of course, cheese.
We got some pecorino romano cheese. If you like parmigiano, that's okay too.
Yes,
The pecorino's
any cheese.
a little saltier.
And, of course, fresh garlic.
Fresh garlics, as Nonna says, garlics.
Yeah. Okay, great. And parsley. You know, you put parsley everywhere.
Put parsley everywhere. Fresh parsley.
Fresh.
Not the dried
No.
stuff.
No. Everything has to be fresh. And, as a special touch, mozzarella.
Some mozzarella. So this is a little bit of a dry, it's fresh mozzarella, but it's not like the one that you would buy at a deli fresh out of the water, because that has too much water in it. So you want to use a mozzarella that's a little bit drier.
Yes.
And for the exact recipe, a complete list of ingredients, measurements, just head to cookingwithnonna.com. Although this is a really, really forgiving recipe, and you can add more cheese, less cheese, more garlic, less garlic. It's really up to you and what you like.
Of course.
And we don't tell people how they gotta eat.
No.
No, we suggest.
And then, of course, we need the eggs.
We just got some eggs in here to bind it all together.
Yes. Otherwise, it doesn't glue together.
Okay. It doesn't. Otherwise, there's no glue, right?
There's no glue. Okay.
So this has always been on the table for Thanksgiving, for Easter, for any holiday we've had. We always had some of my mother's beautiful stuffed mushrooms.
Yeah, go fast.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
yeah,
Relax.
go
Go
fast.
fast.
Yes.
Just
Great.
until all the egg is absorbed. All the dry ingredients are absorbed. Sorry, not the egg.
Yes.
Ma, maybe I gotta mix with my hands. What do you think?
Of course, always use your hands.
Yeah, always use
know,
your hands.
Once
You
you
know,
wash your hands, you can use them.
the spoons are good, but nothing works like your hands.
Absolutely.
Done. So, because that's what you want. You want a filling that holds a shape a little bit.
Yeah.
So for this, we're not going to add any salt and pepper because that pecorino is nice and salty enough. If you want to add some salt and pepper, go ahead and season as desired, season away. But this is my mother's traditional recipe. And I think we got it. This is good.
Yes,
This filling is good.
Yes. Now we just have to you know, I usually make little balls and
Make a little meatball.
yeah.
This is about a teaspoon of filling at a time.
And you put it on top. Yeah, you press it.
Press.
Yeah, great.
And here we go. Beautiful.
There we go.
Just rest it in between.
It depends how big the mushroom is. Here,
Yeah.
you need a bigger meatball.
A little bit bigger, but
Yeah.
you're always around about a teaspoon of filling. Don't overfill them either, because that's no
No,
good.
because you want to taste the mushroom too.
Yeah. So we have stuffed all of our mushrooms. They look beautiful in here.
Ah, wonderful.
And now we're just going to put some liquid at the bottom so everything cooks nice and evenly. So we got some vino.
Vino, of course.
Vino bianco.
Vino
some
bianco,
wine.
white wine. Okay, we just pour it here.
You can use anything as long as it's nice and dry.
Yeah. And then, you
Some
know,
water.
you know.
We got the water.
You can't put only one and then it's too strong. Water.
Okay, perfect.
And then, you know what we can do also? Put some little salt all around.
A little salt.
Yeah, just like that, you know.
Because she wants it in the water, in the liquid, not really on top of the mushroom.
Because I want the mushroom to get some salt, because the stuffing has a very salt. It has the cheese. That's a substitute for salt. Okay, done.
And now we're going to drizzle this with a little bit of oil.
Of course.
Let's just give it a nice little drizzle. There we go. Okay, beautiful. So now these are ready to go into a 450-degree oven for about like 20 to 30 minutes, as long as the tops are nice and brown, and you can tell when the mushrooms are cooked and they get a little bit darker, and this is going to be delicious. I am so excited. So we will see you when it's ready to eat.
Yes. See you soon.
And here are our beautiful stuffed mushrooms. Ma, they look gorgeous.
They are, let me tell you, and they're super delicious.
Super delicious. And
yes.
I can't wait to have one. You going to have one with me?
Of course.
Hold the plate. You want to cut one in half?
Yes.
Do a half and half?
Yes. Let's cut. Okay. I'm on a diet.
You're on a diet.
Seafood diet. I eat what I see. So I can't resist this one.
So I love that the tops of these get really nice and crispy. That is the best part to me.
Yes.
And then inside you got the soft part of the filling. I'm going to cut this in half too.
Yes.
Ooh. Delicious. So good. It's that crispy top. That crispy top gets me every time. Then with the garlic, the cheese, everything going on. It's a beautiful thing. And this was so easy to do. I love 1, 2, 3. You stuff, you fill, you put it in the oven. It's done.
I always find the easy way out. Right?
My mom has always been that way, yes. But, you know, in these cases, it works out well. So I'm so glad you guys learned my Mama Angela's beautiful, easy stuffed mushroom recipe. Ma, thanks for coming on the show and making your beautiful stuffed mushrooms.
You're welcome. But, you know, I can't reveal all my secrets.
You say that in every show, Ma, and then you do.
And then I do, you know.
What are you going to do? Yeah. Bye, everybody.
Ciao a tutti! Voglio bene a tutti gli italiani, tutti gli americani e tutte le persone del mondo.
Don't hit me in the face, Ma.
No, that's okay. You know, I talk with my hands.
Yeah, no, I know.
I'm Italian.
Yeah. Really? You are?
Yeah.